Hi everyone and welcome back to Perima's Kitchen. I am Serena and today I'm making tin fish chutney. I'm using middle cut tin fish and you can decide which one you prefer. I'm also going to go through a simple cleaning hack, and this was due to one of my very own subscribers who had some difficulty and wanted to surprise his girlfriend, so I thought let me share this as well. So let's get to it. Using a very sharp knife, all you have to do is scrape off all the black and silver skin. You can also remove any residue, and then using your knife, once you're done, separate the pilchard . Then remove the center bone, any excess bits. And if you want to remove any of the fine bones, you can do that as well. Next, we're going to rinse our pilchards. Now this stream of water is really strong. You're going to lose half of your tin fish as well as the flavor. So rather keep a very steady, slow stream like this. And then basically rinse on both sides, and that's it, you're done. Now moving on to the cooking. To your hot oil, add 1 diced onion. This is a large onion. Once it's slightly browned, you can then add your curry leaves and your green chilies. And notice that I've kept them in some roller towel after I've washed them, and this just absorbs all that excess water, so when you are adding it to your oil, it doesn't splatter. Once you've added your green chilies and your curry leaves, you need to fry it in the oil for a few minutes. And you can also decide how much of green chilies you want. With tin fish chutney, generally we like to have more green chilies than masala and chili powder. Next, I'm adding Star-Anise. And once you've given it a few minutes just to simmer all together, we can then proceed to add the rest of our spices. First, I'm adding my crushed ginger and garlic, just a heaped teaspoon of crushed ginger and garlic, followed by less than half a teaspoon of roasted dhania powder, as well as less than half a teaspoon of jeera powder, a tablespoon of masala, and I'm using Nagiah's everyday masala, and 3/4 of a tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, and you can use mild or hot, whatever you prefer, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and we're going to mix everything up together. I'm now going to add my tomatoes. You can use grated or liquidized tomatoes, and approximately 4 to 5 tomatoes is suffice. I've taken 4, which I've liquidized. I've added it now, and my other tomato, I've added some green chilies to it, and I've further liquidized it, and I'm also going to add it to the chutney. Next, add some salt to taste, followed by a teaspoon of sugar, just to balance the acidity in the tomatoes. And if you want to add any of the sauce in your can, if it comes in a tomato sauce and you want to add it now, so let it simmer in the chutney all together. And if you're having tin fish with boiled eggs, you can start boiling your eggs now. And you can give it approximately 5 to 10 minutes to simmer. And once you're done, you can just give everything a mix. And then you can proceed to add all of your pilchards. You can decide again according to your preference. If you want to break up your pilchards a little bit more, you can do that. I prefer to just cook it like this. They do tend to break anyway, but I don't mix too much. What I will do is scoop some chutney on top so that all of your tin fish can absorb some of those flavors. And vice versa, we also want the chutney to have some of your tin fish flavor. And then we're done. We're going to let it simmer for a further 10 minutes. on a low to medium heat. Next, I'm going to add some boiled eggs. I've boiled 5 eggs, which I've cut in half. And if you prefer to have whole eggs, you can go ahead and add it like that. I like it halved so that most of the gravy goes onto the yolk. I like that flavor, the integration of the flavor. Remember, there's no right way, there's no wrong way. It's your way and what you like. And once I've added all of my eggs, I'm then just going to scoop some gravy on top because that's the way I like it. And you can leave your lid open. Some of the water will evaporate and your chutney will become thicker. My heat is on very low. And you can enjoy your tin fish chutney with some handmade bread, roti, or basmati rice. I generally love it with roti. And then you can garnish with some fresh coriander, nothing like some fresh dhania, and you are ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I now want to share a little story with you which I saved till the end. Tin fish chutney takes me back in time to when I was very young and we were on holiday with our entire family, and my cousin's husband Casey made this tin fish chutney outside. It was the best tin fish chutney I've ever eaten in my entire life, and from that day onwards, I was hooked. My dear cousin Subhashini's husband Casey is now late, but I always have fond memories of him cooking. And whenever I think of Spienkop, I think of the outside, the chill in the air, and this tin fish chutney on the go. It was sublime. Thank you so much for watching, and as usual, all the ingredients used will be found in the drop-down description below. Please subscribe. Kindly hit the notification bell so you are notified when a new video is uploaded. Please like and share, and your comments are always welcome. I am really enjoying it, engaging with all of you in the comment section. Thank you so much so far for all the incredible feedback. It really warms my heart and it keeps me motivated. You don't even realize how much it means to me. See you again soon in Perima's kitchen. I am Selena.